So I haven't done an unboxing video in a really long time, mainly because I haven't bought anything. I think the last time I bought something, it was a radio. It came in all broken, so I've been leery of buying stuff on eBay. But I was out looking on eBay a couple weeks ago, and I saw this particular product on there, and it was advertised to be in excellent condition, working condition, tested condition, had everything with it, the attachments, the manual, all this sort of stuff. That's what it said anyway. And I thought the price was really good based on all of that. And so I figured I would show you, and this may or may not lead to what my next project may be. And so maybe this, when you see this, it may give you a hint. I'm not going to tell you, but this may give you a hint. So first thing I notice right off the back, it's heavy and it's small, and it doesn't make noise, which is good because it means whoever packaged this packaged it really well. The person had an over 1,000 feedbacks with no negatives, so that's why I felt comfortable ordering it. It did get delayed in St. Louis, made me a little nervous about that, but it showed up today, so we're going to open it together. He marked on it fragile. He marked top, fragile on the sides. On all sides he marked fragile, so I'm impressed with this person and the way he packaged this. So, and with all of his feedback that's positive, I am very hopeful that this will be exactly as he advertised it. And if so, it's going to be a pretty nice addition to his shop. I can get this open. Make it all the way through there. There we go. There we go. Alright. Alright, so let's see what we got here. Nice heavy packaging there. Oh, even better. It's in bubble wrap. If I can get it out of there, let me see if I can cut this box down a little further, make it easier. Might as well make it easier on myself. Packing on the bottom too, and you can see he fit that to that box really well, and that's what you got to do. Anytime you're packing something, you want to pack it good, you want to pack it tight so it can't move. If it moves, all bets are off. So let's see what we got here. Looks like he has a receipt or a note or something in there. Dear Greg, thank you for your purchase. It was my pleasure dealing with you. Please let me know if you like the item. Thanks again. Best regards. As you can see, handwritten. Very nice. Alright. Well, some of you will probably recognize this when you see it. I'll try it. It's a tool. Case in pretty nice shape. A little bit of edge damage there on the edge, but hey, this thing's pretty old. Probably 60 years old anyway, I guess. It's a B&K Model 440 CRT Rejuvenator tester. Got the little manual with it, picture tube chart, the adapters, the cords, and that is why I bought it, because it was complete. And there were a lot of them on eBay that were 30, 40 bucks, 50 bucks, but they were advertised as parts only, non-working, non-tested, didn't have the adapters, didn't have the manual. This has got the little diagram on here for the shorts. Got the serial number of the unit. It's in very clean condition, as you can tell. Hopefully you can tell. Let me zoom you in a little bit. I'll get you over the top and zoom you in a little bit. Now I know there's glare from that light above. That doesn't help things, but there we go. I apologize for any background noise. I wanted to get this unboxed, and I got family upstairs that are going to be talking, possibly, probably baby crying and everything else. But it's here, it's intact, I'm happy, it looks good. I'm not going to power it up right at the moment, because I'm going to save that for the next video where I'll reveal what the reason was for me buying this. But I did want to show it to you, do my unboxing, and very happy. Yeah, the toluene here, whatever you call it, could be glued back down, but you know what? It's in original condition, and I'm perfectly happy with that. I did go back and glue the lining back down. I decided that that was the least I could do to it. Did some over here, up here, and over here. Went back about yay far. It turned out really nice. So, there's that. The other thing I was going to show you was, I told you it had full paperwork. I didn't realize how full. But if you look at that serial number, it matches that serial number. If you open this up, got a page out of the thing here, but we also have parts and price list, and if I can find it again, I thought I saw a warranty card on it. Maybe that's what I was thinking. Yeah, that's not a page. That's the actual warranty instructions there. I thought it was a page, but this isn't open, but it's not. It's the actual warranty statement. So, very complete. And I don't know if I mentioned in the first video, but this was $70 shipped. The $70 included the shipping. And with the wonderful job that the gentleman did, worth every penny. That's it. Thanks for watching Greg's Vintage Workshop.